What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Everyday with Wood. Today I'm gonna be moving this room because I was just sweeping. Today I'm gonna be grilling some hot dogs while we on vacation. And then they ain't have no whole slab of ribs, so she just got sent her to Publix. Told her to give me a slab of ribs. She said this the only thing they had, and she didn't feel like doing no well. So I got different kind of ribs. I got spare rib. Let's say country style rib, boneless. So I guess this don't got no bone. This one is pork loin ribs, and then this one is the same thing as the country style rib boneless. So that don't matter. I'm finna grill them. All right, y'all. I had washed the meat off. So what I'm gonna do now? Put mustard on. I would have did oil, but I'm gonna just do mustard. Just rub this in. So this the season she brought me. I don't know what I can do with this. I need to leave some. All right, y'all. I got the season. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and season garlic. I'm gonna come back and clean the counter up. That was iron and complete. And there's some pepper. I wish she would have got, I forgot the name. Should have got, that would have been all right. No pepper coming out of here. Add a pepper, Zazan. All right. Got the Zazan. Get out, what you doing? Why you keep my stuff, huh? Who told you that? How you found my stuff?
Who made? Who?
One. I'll be eating my stuff. Do it now. Go ahead and season the bite. All right, I'll open it. Wait.
Is that ready?
All right, I'll open it. Wait.
Not
I will open it. That's Greg to open it. Greg, you open that for him. Nobody can tell you to eat my stuff.
But that was his idea.
Here you go. All right, I'm gonna reply to the bite. Same thing. I should have cut the stuff off there, but it'll burn off on the grill. Be okay. I'm in a rush, so be all right. See, that side don't want to come out. It don't matter. It's gonna be good. I'm rushing, y'all. So now I'm finna go put it on the grill. Crazy. All right, y'all. I'm finna go ahead and turn this on. I gotta reach down here and turn it on. Okay. So I got all of them on now. Let it sit, burn off for a second, and put the hot dogs in the corner. All right, y'all. I'm gonna burn off a little bit, so I'm gonna throw these hot dogs right here in this corner. And these go ahead and cook. Now, I'm gonna cook one pack. They might be gone now since I ain't cooked both pipes. When I cook both pipes, they ain't gonna eat them all. If you cook one pipe, they gonna be gone. So I got on that side, and I'm gonna put the ribs on the other side. Do my ribs different, but today I'm gonna have to do it like this. Put the ribs over here. I thought he was trying to say, I'm like, what's going on? That's all they getting. That's some of my ribs. I'm gonna cook some baked beans. So I had forgot I had just bought the baked beans in here, and we don't got no brown sugar or no honey. I can use either honey or I don't got no syrup. So I just got sugar. So hopefully it come out right. Cause I know Troy's gonna go crazy. This is his favorite thing. And I like, instead of using this sugar, I use that pure sugar. So hopefully it'll be sweet enough. I don't know. We'll see. All right, y'all. Got them wrapped up. These the hot dogs. I forgot to show y'all. These the hot dogs. So now I'm finna put this in the oven. Never used this oven, but hopefully I got it held up right. All right, I'm gonna put it on bake and then start. All right. Hey, boy. You need them floats on? This boy got us there. So we're gonna check on these. That's how they looking. Juice there. Wait, hold on. I'm recording real fast. Wait. Put these in a bite. That's what I'm thinking. Put these up there. Okay, now I got them right. So I'm gonna just set this in the microwave. That's a big microwave. Set it in the microwave because I had it in the oven.